Hey y'all, so I did a short and the voice didn't work, so I think I know that this one's work. So yeah, I'm gonna make a fireworks video. I am so sorry if you watch it and you're scared of loud noises. Warning! Don't watch it if you're scared of loud noises because I bet there's gonna be that family over there, and this family doing fireworks all next to each other. So it's gonna be really loud. People are racing off fireworks. So yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of families over there saying fireworks and a bunch of families over there saying fireworks. So yeah, a warning, don't watch the short if you're scared of loud noises. I bet it's fireworks. So yeah, I have to yap for 3 minutes or longer. So oh my god, I'm getting cold. Yeah, so there's a family over there, there's a family over here, and this family. There's a bunch of families over there and a bunch of families over there. So yeah, they're moving their cars. No? Oh, maybe they're going home to get theirs.
Amanda's going home.
Maybe, but most likely they're going home to get theirs and coming back. So yeah, sorry if we yap a lot. And the fireworks video won't be showing my face, but probably my dad's or my grandpa's or grandma's. Because they're most likely gonna be setting off the fireworks, so maybe my brother, maybe you'll get to meet them. Oh, that's correct. What is it?
You have a scratch right here. And then you have a dirt spot on that side.
Yeah, don't mind this, y'all. I just in my cat, and this one, I don't know where it came from. I was currently with my cat, and then he scratched my chin, and it hurt really bad. So, there's a little fountain over there. Pretty cool. That's our sunset. Hold on, I gotta move a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a really good view of the sunset. So yeah, this is our view of the sunset and the houses and families getting ready for fireworks. So, my dad got that Oregon flag from my mom. If you went to go and get a snack or something or a drink and you just came back, what I said was I won't be showing my face in that fireworks video, but I will be showing most likely my dad's, probably my brother's, probably grandpa's, maybe grandma's. Whoever sets off the fireworks, I don't know who's going to set off some fireworks and another person is, but we'll find out. My grandpa, probably my brother, and probably my dad. Most likely my dad. My dad's taking a nap right now. We gotta wake him up pretty soon. What time is it?
8:16.
It's 8:16 right now where we are. And we're just sitting here. The sad news is that everywhere I go, I get no fans seeing me. Most likely, I have fans in the United States, just not in Vancouver, Washington. Not.
That's where you live.
I'm gonna delete that from my video. I just have like no. Oh, guys, I do not live in Vancouver, Washington. I live in New York right now. Yeah. Yeah.
It's too late now.
Just kidding. Okay, so I was just kidding. Yeah. Right. Alright. So. Help me. Hold on.
Where is life in the United States? Why isn't it in California?
Alright, y'all. So I live in California. That's what I meant. I get them confused sometimes. Okay, so yeah, my mom, she still plays with toys.
What?
So yeah, y'all, I gotta go. Say bye, Mom.
Fine.
Fireworks video coming up.